अभी हम दिखाए मेजर रेस्टोरेंट में कैसे घुसे नहीं।
Reservation required.
No, I can because guess what? Back in the day, back in the day, I used to take something to Chicago.
I like riding on your feet.
How we doing, boss?
Oh my God.
Good.
Reservation, I'm assuming?
Yep. Sure.
Name?
Subhash.
All right, my man. I got you. All right, let's go, guys.
Separate table पे
Here you go.
Can we take one of those tables?
You want a table instead? Yeah, you can take this one if you want.